In this lecture 2, we will discuss question 6, 7 and 8 along with their details and MCQs. Question 6. Read the article, Manufacture, Import, and Export, in the Drugs Act, 1976 and rules framed thereunder, and answer the questions. Manufacture, import, and export under the Drugs Act, 1976, ensuring quality and safety in pharmaceuticals. The pharmaceutical industry plays a pivotal role in advancing public health by providing essential medications to alleviate illnesses and improve the overall quality of life. To safeguard the well-being of the populace, the Drugs Act of 1976 in Pakistan serves as a cornerstone of legislation, regulating the manufacturing, import, and export of pharmaceutical products. This comprehensive article delves into the intricate nuances of manufacture, import, and export under the aegis of the Drugs Act, 1976, and the meticulously devised rules that underpin these critical aspects. By exploring the processes, regulations, and pivotal role of this framework, this article underscores the paramount importance of quality, safety, and adherence to ethical standards in the pharmaceutical industry. Manufacturing pharmaceuticals. A commitment to quality and efficacy. Ensuring quality standards. The Drugs Act of 1976 mandates that pharmaceutical manufacturers adhere to stringent quality standards during the production process. This entails maintaining good manufacturing practices (GMP) to ensure that medications are formulated, processed, packaged, and stored under optimal conditions to preserve their safety and efficacy. Regulatory oversight. To ensure compliance with quality standards, regulatory authorities conduct thorough inspections of manufacturing facilities. These inspections assess factors such as facility design, equipment calibration, personnel training, and documentation practices, thus contributing to the overall assurance of product quality. Batch testing. Before pharmaceutical products can be distributed, they undergo rigorous testing to verify their quality, safety, and efficacy. Batch testing includes assessments of the active ingredients, formulation, and overall quality of the medication. Importing pharmaceuticals. Balancing accessibility and safety. Import license requirements. Entities involved in importing pharmaceuticals into Pakistan are required to obtain an import license. This license serves as a mechanism to ensure that imported products adhere to the same quality and safety standards as domestically manufactured medications. Quality assurance. Regulatory authorities meticulously review imported pharmaceuticals to confirm their compliance with established quality standards. This entails assessing the product's formulation, labeling, packaging, and overall integrity. Protecting public health. By regulating pharmaceutical imports, the Drugs Act of 1976 contributes to protecting public health from the potential risks posed by substandard or counterfeit medications that might otherwise enter the market. Exporting pharmaceuticals. Advancing healthcare beyond borders. Export license requirements. Pharmaceutical companies seeking to export their products from Pakistan must secure an export license. This license ensures that medications earmarked for foreign markets meet the same rigorous quality and safety benchmarks as those intended for domestic use. Quality validation. Prior to export, pharmaceutical products undergo meticulous scrutiny to validate their quality, safety, and efficacy. This process involves comprehensive testing and assessment to ensure that the products are fit for consumption in the receiving countries. Global collaboration. The export of pharmaceutical products fosters international collaboration, as countries work together to enhance public health by ensuring the accessibility of safe and effective medications. Rules framed under the Drugs Act, 1976. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. These rules lay down the comprehensive framework for importing and exporting pharmaceutical products. They delineate the requirements, procedures, and documentation necessary to facilitate these activities while maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). The Drugs Act, 1976, underscores the significance of GMP guidelines, which are further elaborated in rules. These guidelines dictate the protocols that pharmaceutical manufacturers must follow to ensure the quality and safety of their products. Fostering quality, safety, and global health. In conclusion, the manufacture, import, and export of pharmaceuticals within the purview of the Drugs Act, 1976, and its accompanying rules, exemplify a comprehensive regulatory framework dedicated to ensuring the accessibility, quality, and safety of pharmaceutical products. By upholding GMP standards, mandating rigorous quality assessments, and facilitating international collaboration through exports, this framework fortifies public health by advancing the availability of safe, effective, and reliable medications. As future professionals in the pharmaceutical domain, understanding and adhering to these regulations is paramount to contribute to a pharmaceutical landscape that stands unwaveringly committed to elevating healthcare standards and promoting the well-being of society as a whole. Related MCQs. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of the Drugs Act of 1976 in Pakistan? A. Regulating healthcare professionals. B. Regulating pharmaceutical advertising. C. Regulating the manufacture, import, and export of pharmaceutical products. D. Regulating medical research. Answer. C. Regulating the manufacture, import, and export of pharmaceutical products. Question 2. What does GMP stand for in the pharmaceutical industry? A. Good marketing practices. B. General medical procedures. C. General manufacturing practices. D. Good manufacturing practices. Answer. D. Good manufacturing practices. Question 3. What is the goal of maintaining good manufacturing practices (GMP) during pharmaceutical production? A. Maximizing profits for pharmaceutical companies. B. Ensuring medications are processed quickly. C. Preserving the safety and efficacy of medications. D. Minimizing regulatory oversight. Answer. C. Preserving the safety and efficacy of medications. Question 4. What is the role of regulatory authorities in pharmaceutical manufacturing? A. Conducting marketing campaigns. B. Inspecting manufacturing facilities. C. Providing medical advice to patients. D. Distributing pharmaceutical products. Answer. B. Inspecting manufacturing facilities. Question 5. Which aspect of pharmaceutical products undergoes rigorous testing before distribution? A. Packaging design. B. Brand name. C. Active ingredients. D. Advertising materials. Answer. C. Active ingredients. Question 6. What is the purpose of obtaining an import license for pharmaceutical products? A. To import products without quality standards. B. To ensure compliance with quality and safety standards. C. To expedite the import process. D. To avoid regulatory inspections. Answer. B. To ensure compliance with quality and safety standards. Question 7. What is the primary focus of quality assurance for imported pharmaceuticals? A. Determining the price of the products. B. Reviewing advertising materials. C. Confirming compliance with quality standards. D. Assessing packaging aesthetics. Answer. C. Confirming compliance with quality standards. Question 8. How does the Drugs Act of 1976 contribute to protecting public health during pharmaceutical imports? A. By promoting counterfeit medications. B. By regulating quality and safety standards. C. By reducing regulatory oversight. D. By expediting the import process. Answer: B. By regulating quality and safety standards. Question 9. What is the purpose of an export license for pharmaceutical companies? A. To avoid quality testing. B. To meet domestic demand. C. To comply with advertising regulations. D. To ensure quality and safety for foreign markets. Answer: D. To ensure quality and safety for foreign markets. Question 10. What is the significance of quality validation for pharmaceutical exports? A. To expedite the export process. B. To reduce manufacturing costs. C. To ensure products meet international standards. D. To avoid regulatory inspections. Answer: C. To ensure products meet international standards. Question 11. How does the export of pharmaceutical products contribute to global collaboration? A. By limiting the availability of medications. B. By promoting counterfeit medications. C. By fostering international partnerships. D. By avoiding regulatory oversight. Answer: C. By fostering international partnerships. Question 12. Which rules lay down the comprehensive framework for importing and exporting pharmaceutical products? A. Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986. B. Drug Licensing, Registering and Advertising Rules, 1976. C. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. D. Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP. Answer: C. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. Question 13. What is the primary focus of Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP guidelines? A. Ensuring accurate labeling and packaging. B. Reducing regulatory oversight. C. Maximizing profits for pharmaceutical companies. D. Ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Answer: D. Ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Question 14. What does the comprehensive regulatory framework for pharmaceutical products emphasize? A. Minimizing regulatory oversight. B. Elevating healthcare standards. C. Reducing quality assessments. D. Expediting the manufacturing process. Answer: B. Elevating healthcare standards. Question 15. What is the primary role of the Drugs Act of 1976 in Pakistan? A. Promoting counterfeit medications. B. Regulating healthcare professionals. C. Ensuring quality and safety in pharmaceuticals. D. Monitoring medical research. Answer: C. Ensuring quality and safety in pharmaceuticals. Question 16. What is the purpose of maintaining good manufacturing practices, GMP, in pharmaceutical production? A. To maximize profits. B. To expedite the manufacturing process. C. To ensure the safety and efficacy of medications. D. To reduce regulatory oversight. Answer: C. To ensure the safety and efficacy of medications. Question 17. What do regulatory authorities assess during inspections of manufacturing facilities? A. Marketing strategies. B. Facility design and equipment calibration. C. Medication pricing. D. Packaging aesthetics. Answer: B. Facility design and equipment calibration. Question 18. What undergoes rigorous testing before pharmaceutical products can be distributed? A. Packaging materials. B. Brand names. C. Active ingredients and formulation. D. Advertising content. Answer: C. Active ingredients and formulation. Question 19. What is the purpose of an import license for pharmaceutical products? A. To avoid quality and safety standards. B. To expedite the import process. C. To ensure compliance with quality and safety standards. D. To increase regulatory oversight. Answer: C. To ensure compliance with quality and safety standards. Question 20. How does the Drugs Act of 1976 contribute to protecting public health during pharmaceutical imports? A. By promoting counterfeit medications. B. By reducing quality standards. C. By regulating quality and safety standards. D. By limiting the availability of medications. Answer: C. By regulating quality and safety standards. Question 21. What is the primary purpose of an export license for pharmaceutical companies? A. To avoid quality testing. B. To meet domestic demand. C. To ensure quality and safety for foreign markets. D. To bypass regulatory oversight. Answer: C. To ensure quality and safety for foreign markets. Question 22. What is the significance of quality validation for pharmaceutical exports? A. To expedite the export process. B. To ensure products meet international standards. C. To reduce manufacturing costs. D. To avoid regulatory inspections. Answer: B. To ensure products meet international standards. Question 23. How does the export of pharmaceutical products contribute to global collaboration? A. By promoting counterfeit medications. B. By fostering international partnerships. C. By avoiding regulatory oversight. D. By limiting the availability of medications. Answer: B. By fostering international partnerships. Question 24. Which rules lay down the comprehensive framework for importing and exporting pharmaceutical products? A. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. B. Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986. C. Drug Licensing, Registering and Advertising Rules, 1976. D. Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP. Answer: A. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. Question 25. What is the primary focus of Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP guidelines? A. Reducing regulatory oversight. B. Ensuring accurate labeling and packaging. C. Maximizing profits for pharmaceutical companies. D. Ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Answer: D. Ensuring the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Question 7. Read the topic on distribution and sale in the Drugs Act, 1976 and rules framed thereunder, and answer the given MCQs. Ensuring controlled distribution and responsible sale. Distribution and sale under the Drugs Act, 1976. The pharmaceutical industry stands as a crucial cornerstone of public health, tasked with the responsibility of providing safe and effective medications to alleviate human suffering and enhance well-being. In Pakistan, the Drugs Act of 1976 assumes a pivotal role in regulating various aspects of the pharmaceutical sector, including the distribution and sale of pharmaceutical products. This comprehensive article delves into the intricate nuances of distribution and sale under the aegis of the Drugs Act, 1976, along with the meticulously framed rules that underpin these essential activities. By examining the processes, regulations, and pivotal role of this framework, this article underscores the paramount importance of maintaining quality, safety, and ethical standards throughout the distribution and sale of pharmaceuticals. Distribution. A crucial phase in the pharmaceutical supply chain. The distribution of pharmaceutical products encompasses a series of activities that facilitate the movement of medications from manufacturers to end users, such as patients and healthcare providers. This phase of the pharmaceutical supply chain plays a vital role in ensuring that safe and effective drugs reach the intended recipients while upholding quality standards and regulatory compliance. Licensing and regulation. The Drugs Act of 1976 mandates that entities engaged in pharmaceutical distribution must obtain a valid license from the regulatory authorities. This license serves as an assurance that the distribution activities are conducted in compliance with established regulations and quality standards. Quality control and storage. Regulatory bodies ensure that pharmaceutical distributors adhere to stringent quality control measures. This includes proper storage conditions, handling procedures, and transportation protocols to maintain the integrity and efficacy of the drugs during distribution. Wholesale distribution. Entities engaged in wholesale distribution must adhere to specific rules and regulations to ensure that pharmaceutical products are efficiently and safely delivered to retail outlets, hospitals, clinics, and other points of use. Retail sale. Dispensing medications responsibly. The sale of pharmaceutical products at the retail level involves the direct interaction between pharmacists, patients, and consumers. This critical phase ensures that patients receive the right medications, accurate dosages, and proper instructions for use. Retail licensing. Retail pharmacies and outlets must obtain a valid retail license to sell pharmaceutical products. This license serves as a testament to the establishment's commitment to adhering to ethical practices and ensuring patient safety. Pharmacist oversight. Trained and licensed pharmacists play a pivotal role in the retail sale of pharmaceuticals. They verify prescriptions, provide accurate medication information, and counsel patients on proper use, potential side effects, and interactions. Patient education. Pharmacists educate patients about the importance of adherence to prescribed medications, potential side effects, and proper storage to maximize therapeutic outcomes and minimize risks. Rules framed under the Drugs Act, 1976. The Drugs Act, 1976, is complemented by a set of meticulously framed rules that govern various aspects of distribution and sale in the pharmaceutical sector. These rules are designed to ensure the controlled distribution of safe and effective medications while safeguarding public health and well-being. Drug licensing, registering, and advertising rules, 1976. These rules outline the requirements and procedures for obtaining licenses for pharmaceutical distribution and retail sale. They emphasize adherence to quality standards, regulatory compliance, and ethical practices. Drug labeling and packing rules, 1986. Proper labeling and packaging of pharmaceutical products are essential to ensure accurate information dissemination to end users. These rules specify the information that must be present on drug labels, including dosage instructions, precautions, and potential side effects. Ethical promotion and advertisement. Ethical practices in promoting and advertising pharmaceutical products play a significant role in informing healthcare professionals, patients, and consumers about the availability, benefits, and proper use of medications. Ensuring access, safety, and ethical practices. In conclusion, distribution and sale are critical phases in the pharmaceutical supply chain, ensuring that safe and effective medications reach patients and end users. The Drugs Act of 1976, along with its associated rules, establishes a robust regulatory framework that emphasizes quality control, adherence to ethical standards, and patient safety throughout the distribution and sale processes. By mandating licensing, promoting pharmacist oversight, and emphasizing patient education, this framework contributes to the overarching goal of providing accessible, effective, and safe pharmaceutical products that elevate public health and contribute to the well-being of society as a whole. As future professionals in the healthcare and pharmaceutical domains, understanding and upholding these regulations are paramount to ensuring the integrity and reliability of the pharmaceutical industry. Related MCQs. Question 1. What is the primary responsibility of the pharmaceutical industry? A. Ensuring maximum profits. B. Enhancing public health. C. Reducing regulatory oversight. D. Expanding market reach. Answer. B. Question 2. Which legislative act plays a pivotal role in regulating pharmaceutical distribution and sale in Pakistan? A. Healthcare Act of 1976. B. Pharmaceuticals Act of 1976. C. Drugs Act of 1976. D. Medical Products Act of 1976. Answer. Circa. Question 3. The distribution and sale of pharmaceutical products are regulated to ensure a. Maximum profits for manufacturers. B. Controlled access to medications. C. Quick market expansion. D. Minimal regulatory oversight. Answer. B. Question 4. Which phase of the pharmaceutical supply chain involves delivering medications from manufacturers to end users? A. Manufacturing. B. Importing. C. Exporting. D. Distribution. Answer. D. Question 5. What is the purpose of obtaining a distribution license under the Drugs Act of 1976? A. Ensuring maximum profits. B. Confirming compliance with quality standards. C. Expanding market reach. D. Reducing regulatory oversight. Answer. B. Question 6. Quality control measures in pharmaceutical distribution primarily focus on a. Maximizing profits. B. Ensuring proper advertising. C. Maintaining storage conditions. D. Reducing distribution time. Answer. Circa. Question 7. Entities engaged in wholesale distribution must ensure efficient and safe delivery of pharmaceutical products to a. Manufacturing facilities. B. Regulatory authorities. C. Retail outlets and healthcare institutions. D. International markets. Answer. Circa. Question 8. Retail pharmacies must obtain a valid license to a. Maximize profits. B. Ensure ethical advertising. C. Adhere to quality standards. D. Reduce distribution costs. Answer. Circa. Question 9. Trained and licensed pharmacists play a pivotal role in the retail sale of pharmaceuticals by a. Manufacturing medications. B. Conducting clinical trials. C. Educating patients and verifying prescriptions. D. Importing and exporting drugs. Answer. Circa. Question 10. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, mandate proper labeling and packaging to ensure a. Accurate advertising. B. Efficient distribution. C. Compliance with import regulations. D. Accurate information dissemination to end users. Answer. D. Question 11. The regulatory framework for distribution and sale emphasizes which of the following? A. Maximizing profits. B. Adhering to ethical standards. C. Reducing quality control measures. D. Expanding market reach. Answer. B. Question 12. The primary goal of the pharmaceutical supply chain is to a. Maximize profits. B. Ensure timely distribution. C. Safeguard public health and well-being. D. Minimize regulatory oversight. Answer. Circa. Question 13. What role do regulatory authorities play in ensuring quality control in pharmaceutical distribution? A. Marketing medications. B. Ensuring proper storage conditions. C. Conducting clinical trials. D. Verifying prescriptions. Answer. B. Question 14. The Drug Licensing, Registering, and Advertising Rules, 1976, outline the requirements for a. Manufacturing pharmaceutical products. B. Importing and exporting drugs. C. Obtaining licenses for distribution and retail sale. D. Conducting clinical trials. Answer: circa. Question 15. The key objective of ethical promotion and advertisement is to a. Maximize profits. B. Expand market reach. C. Safeguard public health and well-being. D. Reduce regulatory oversight. Answer: circa. Question 16. The retail sale of pharmaceutical products involves direct interaction between a. Manufacturers and regulatory authorities. B. Pharmacists and patients. C. Distributors and wholesalers. D. Exporters and importers. Answer: B. Question 17. Which phase of the pharmaceutical supply chain ensures that patients receive accurate dosages and instructions for use? A. Manufacturing. B. Importing. C. Distribution. D. Exporting. Answer: circa. Question 18. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, mandate proper labeling and packaging to ensure a. Accurate advertising. B. Efficient distribution. C. Compliance with import regulations. D. Accurate information dissemination to end users. Answer: D. Question 19. The regulatory framework for distribution and sale emphasizes which of the following? A. Maximizing profits. B. Adhering to ethical standards. C. Reducing quality control measures. D. Expanding market reach. Answer: B. Question 20. What is the primary goal of obtaining an import license for pharmaceutical products? A. Ensuring efficient distribution. B. Reducing quality control measures. C. Maximizing profits. D. Ensuring quality and safety standards. Answer: D. Question 21. Which regulatory authority plays a role in ensuring compliance with quality and safety standards in pharmaceutical distribution? A. Advertising agency. B. Healthcare practitioners. C. Regulatory bodies. D. Manufacturers. Answer: circa. Question 22. Wholesale distribution in the pharmaceutical sector involves delivering products to a. Regulatory authorities. B. Patients and consumers. C. Retail outlets. D. Manufacturers. Answer: circa. Question 23. What is the role of trained and licensed pharmacists in the retail sale of pharmaceuticals? A. Manufacturing medications. B. Conducting clinical trials. C. Educating patients and verifying prescriptions. D. Importing and exporting drugs. Answer: circa. Question 24. Which set of rules outlines the requirements and procedures for obtaining licenses for pharmaceutical distribution and retail sale? A. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. B. Drug Licensing, Registering, and Advertising Rules, 1976. C. Good Manufacturing Practices, GMP. D. Ethical Promotion and Advertisement Rules. Answer: B. Question 25. The Drug Licensing, Registering, and Advertising Rules, 1976, emphasize adherence to a. Marketing strategies. B. Ethical practices. C. Export regulations. D. Manufacturing procedures. Answer: B. Question 26. The overarching goal of the distribution and sale framework under the Drugs Act, 1976, is to a. Maximize profits for pharmaceutical companies. B. Reduce quality control measures. C. Safeguard public health and well-being. D. Expedite regulatory processes. Answer: C. Question 8. Kindly read the topic Labeling and Packaging, and answer the given MCQs. Labeling and Packaging in the Drugs Act, 1976, ensuring information and safety. The pharmaceutical industry plays a critical role in advancing public health by providing essential medications that alleviate illnesses and enhance the quality of life. To ensure the safe and effective use of these pharmaceutical products, the Drugs Act of 1976 in Pakistan mandates stringent regulations regarding labeling and packaging. This comprehensive article delves into the intricate nuances of labeling and packaging under the Drugs Act, 1976, and the meticulously framed rules that underpin these vital components. By exploring the significance, guidelines, and pivotal role of this framework, this article highlights the paramount importance of accurate information dissemination and patient safety in the pharmaceutical sector. The significance of labeling and packaging. Labeling and packaging serve as the primary means of communicating essential information about pharmaceutical products to healthcare professionals, patients, and consumers. These elements are integral to ensuring the proper and safe use of medications. The Drugs Act of 1976 recognizes that clear, accurate, and comprehensive labeling and packaging are essential to prevent misuse, adverse effects, and potential harm. Key components of labeling. Drug identification. Each pharmaceutical product must be clearly identified by its generic name, brand name if applicable, and specific dosage form. Dosage instructions. Accurate and easily understandable dosage instructions are provided to guide patients and healthcare professionals in administering the medication correctly. Indications and contraindications. The label should specify the approved indications for the drug's use, as well as any contraindications or situations in which the drug should not be used. Usage warnings and precautions. Important warnings, precautions, and potential adverse effects are prominently displayed to alert users to potential risks. Storage conditions. Instructions for proper storage, including temperature and humidity requirements, are provided to maintain the drug's stability and efficacy. Importance of proper packaging. Pharmaceutical packaging serves multiple crucial functions beyond containing the medication. It ensures the integrity, stability, and safety of the product from manufacturing to use. Proper packaging helps prevent contamination, degradation, and exposure to external factors that could compromise the drug's quality and safety. Rules framed under the Drugs Act, 1976. Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986. These rules provide detailed guidance on the information that must be present on drug labels and packaging. They specify the mandatory inclusion of the drug's generic name, brand name if applicable, dosage form, and strength. Additionally, these rules mandate the inclusion of dosage instructions, indications, contraindications, precautions, warnings, and potential side effects. The rules emphasize the need for accurate and easily comprehensible information to facilitate proper drug use. Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP). While not specific to labeling and packaging, GMP guidelines outlined in the Drugs Act, 1976, and its rules ensure that pharmaceutical manufacturers adhere to standards that encompass proper labeling and packaging practices. These guidelines contribute to the overall quality and safety of pharmaceutical products, including their presentation and information dissemination. Ensuring patient safety and information transparency. In conclusion, proper labeling and packaging are essential components of the pharmaceutical industry's commitment to patient safety and well-being. By providing accurate and comprehensive information, pharmaceutical companies empower healthcare professionals, patients, and consumers to make informed decisions about medication use. The framework established by the Drugs Act of 1976, along with its associated rules, reinforces the importance of transparent and responsible labeling and packaging practices. As future professionals in the healthcare and pharmaceutical domains, understanding and adhering to these regulations are pivotal to upholding the principles of patient safety, information transparency, and the overall enhancement of public health. Related 30 MCQs. Question 1. Labeling and packaging in the pharmaceutical industry are crucial for a. Enhancing profits. B. Ensuring patient safety and information dissemination. C. Reducing manufacturing costs. D. Speeding up production. Answer. B. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of labeling and packaging in the pharmaceutical sector? A. Brand promotion. B. Preventing misuse of medications. C. Reducing packaging waste. D. Expedited distribution. Answer. B. Question 3. The Drugs Act of 1976 in Pakistan regulates which aspects of pharmaceuticals? A. Research and development. B. Distribution and sale. C. International trade agreements. D. Advertising practices. Answer. B. Question 4. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, provide detailed guidance on a. Drug pricing. B. Drug manufacturing techniques. C. Drug distribution channels. D. Information to be included on drug labels and packaging. Answer. D. Question 5. Which of the following is not a key component of labeling for pharmaceutical products? A. Drug identification. B. Dosage instructions. C. Pharmacological formula. D. Storage conditions. Answer. Circa. Question 6. The purpose of indicating contraindications on drug labels is to a. Encourage off-label use. B. Highlight potential side effects. C. Provide dosage instructions. D. Specify approved indications. Answer. D. Question 7. Why are usage warnings and precautions prominently displayed on drug labels? A. To encourage higher dosages. B. To promote the drug's benefits. C. To alert users to potential risks. D. To increase sales. Answer. Circa. Question 8. What role do GMP guidelines play in labeling and packaging practices? A. Ensuring proper storage conditions. B. Regulating international trade agreements. C. Dictating advertising practices. D. Ensuring overall quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Answer. D. Question 9. Proper pharmaceutical packaging helps prevent a. Regulatory inspections. B. Medication expiration. C. Information dissemination. D. Healthcare professional education. Answer. B. Question 10. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, mandate the inclusion of which of the following on drug labels? A. Manufacturer's financial information. B. Active ingredient percentages. C. Dosage instructions. D. Political affiliations. Answer. Circa. Question 11. What is the role of regulatory authorities in the distribution phase of pharmaceuticals? A. Setting drug prices. B. Ensuring compliance with labeling guidelines. C. Providing medical consultations. D. Manufacturing medications. Answer. B. Question 12. What is the primary purpose of proper pharmaceutical packaging? A. Reducing medication cost. B. Ensuring patient compliance. C. Enhancing brand recognition. D. Maintaining product integrity and safety. Answer. D. Question 13. What is the primary objective of the Drugs Act of 1976 in relation to labeling and packaging? A. Encouraging off-label use. B. Enhancing medication availability. C. Ensuring patient safety and information dissemination. D. Reducing healthcare costs. Answer: circa. Question 14. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, emphasize the need for what type of information on drug labels? A. Personal anecdotes. B. Scientific research papers. C. Clear and accurate information. D. Marketing slogans. Answer: circa. Question 15. What is the role of licensed pharmacists in the retail sale of pharmaceutical products? A. Manufacturing medications. B. Providing medical consultations. C. Ensuring proper storage conditions. D. Verifying prescriptions and educating patients. Answer: D. Question 16. What is the significance of indicating storage conditions on drug labels? A. Encouraging immediate consumption. B. Ensuring proper administration. C. Preventing contamination and degradation. D. Highlighting potential side effects. Answer: circa. Question 17. Which of the following is not a key component of labeling as mentioned in the article? A. Drug identification. B. Dosage instructions. C. Adverse reactions. D. Storage conditions. Answer: circa. Question 18. The primary purpose of proper packaging in the pharmaceutical industry is to A. Enhance brand recognition. B. Reduce manufacturing costs. C. Maintain product integrity and safety. D. Expedite distribution. Answer: circa. Question 19. Which rules provide detailed guidance on drug labeling and packaging in the pharmaceutical sector? A. Drug Distribution and Sale Rules, 1976. B. Drug Import and Export Rules, 1976. C. Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986. D. Drug Research and Development Rules, 1986. Answer: circa. Question 20. What role do Good Manufacturing Practices (GMP) guidelines play in ensuring proper labeling and packaging? A. Regulating drug prices. B. Setting manufacturing standards. C. Ensuring overall quality and safety. D. Promoting off-label use. Answer: circa. Question 21. The primary goal of labeling and packaging in the pharmaceutical sector is to A. Increase medication sales. B. Enhance brand recognition. C. Ensure patient safety and information dissemination. D. Expedite the distribution process. Answer: circa. Question 22. Why is it important to include dosage instructions on drug labels? A. To promote higher dosages. B. To highlight potential side effects. C. To guide proper medication use. D. To reduce medication availability. Answer: circa. Question 23. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, specify the inclusion of which of the following on drug labels? A. Manufacturer's political affiliations. B. Personal testimonials. C. Indications for off-label use. D. Dosage instructions and precautions. Answer: D. Question 24. The role of regulatory authorities in drug labeling and packaging is to A. Expedite distribution. B. Ensure proper storage conditions. C. Enhance medication availability. D. Ensure compliance with established regulations. Answer: D. Question 25. The primary purpose of providing usage warnings and precautions on drug labels is to A. Promote the medication's benefits. B. Encourage off-label use. C. Alert users to potential risks. D. Increase sales. Answer: circa. Question 26. What is the primary function of pharmaceutical packaging? A. Reducing medication cost. B. Enhancing brand recognition. C. Maintaining product integrity and safety. D. Expedited distribution. Answer. Circa. Question 27. The primary objective of labeling and packaging regulations is to A. Reduce healthcare costs. B. Ensure patient safety and information dissemination. C. Expedite the distribution process. D. Encourage off-label use. Answer. B. Question 28. The Drug Labeling and Packing Rules, 1986, emphasize the need for accurate and underscore information on drug labels and packaging. A. Complex. B. Misleading. C. Easily comprehensible. D. Jargon-filled. Answer. Circa. Question 29. Licensed pharmacists play a pivotal role in the retail sale of pharmaceuticals by A. Manufacturing medications. B. Providing medical consultations. C. Ensuring proper storage conditions. D. Verifying prescriptions and educating patients. Answer. D. Question 30. The primary purpose of indicating storage conditions on drug labels is to A. Encourage immediate consumption. B. Ensure proper administration. C. Prevent contamination and degradation. D. Highlight potential side effects. Answer. Circa. Question 9.